Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make fish pond Minecraft step by step. Start by selecting a flat or gently sloped area near water sources, then mark a rectangular outline roughly 5 by 7 blocks. Dig down 3 layers, leaving ledges for decoration. Place water sources to create full water blocks, add gravel and sand for texture, then plant seagrass and kelp for realism. Finally, introduce fish using buckets and enjoy your new pond. In this video, I will show how to make fish pond Minecraft step by step. Start with the right materials by collecting at least 10 stone blocks, 20 dirt, 5 sand, and 10 gravel. Bring 2 water buckets and fish buckets for transportation. Add seagrass and kelp harvested with shears and a bucket to transplant coral or plants. Also include sea lanterns or glowstone to light the pond and keep it safe at night. In this video, I will show how to make fish pond Minecraft step by step. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for gaming breaks with lightweight design and bright screen, perfect for reading while you plan builds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it supports the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make fish pond Minecraft step by step. Begin by marking a 5 by 7 rectangle, then dig down 3 layers leaving shelves on 2 sides for decoration. Place water source blocks in a grid so all spaces become still water, preventing unwanted currents. Add gravel, sand, and seagrass for texture. Use slabs, trapdoors, and lanterns around the rim, then introduce fish via buckets to complete the pond.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.